Hello everyone, welcome to Van Life with Steve for day 3 of my trip across America. Today we are starting in a Walmart in Nebraska, going through Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and into Buffalo, New York. It's slightly over a 15-hour drive that turns out to be the most boring drive of the trip. Maybe I'm jaded from doing this drive too many times in the past while traveling with Rough Francis, but there was not much to film and not much to note. The scenery was not exciting. The best part of the day was the sunrise, and from there it was just keeping the van moving. And in reality, the sunrise was not that spectacular. I think I was just hoping for some excitement. I reduced this 15+ hour, 1,000-mile drive down to this 6-minute video, most of which is the sunrise at the start of the day. The windshield is crappy, hazy, and covered in dirt. It's a good representation of my actual status going on day 3 without a shower. I slept pretty well, it was nice and quiet. I didn't hear any trains despite warnings on RV Parky of them going through every 45 minutes. I woke up stuffy at 5:30 a.m. Nebraska has probably the worst radio I've ever heard. This includes remote European and Chinese radio. I couldn't find a single public radio station. I have some iced coffee left from yesterday. Iced just from being in the van and using nature's refrigerator. It was under 30 degrees last night. I won't stop for breakfast today. I have some fruit and don't want to waste the time on a 15-hour day. If a man can keep alert and imaginative, an error is a possibility, a chance at something new. To him, wandering and wondering are part of the same process, and he is most mistaken, most in error, whenever he quits exploring. After getting through Iowa, this drive was mostly city, although there was a severe lack of traffic even during rush hour. It makes sense since this was during a time when you were still supposed to stay home. It made for making good time. Some tolls are on our system, log in and pay online. Some were closed and you just drove through. Some were ticket and taking cash as normal. Three and a half hours to Buffalo and it's 6 p.m. It's raining. It's 39 degrees but looked like it was trying to turn into snow. If it snows, I'll stop. If not, I'll push on. I have nothing better to do and I'd like to drive tomorrow to be as short as possible. It will be the home stretch and I'm expecting snow in the Adirondacks. This West Coast summer van really isn't made for the snow. There's almost no traffic at all for Cleveland. The road turned into 90 east at some point. There's nothing to do but keep going. The only thing I had to think about was what was left in the tank and the miles to drive. The rain let up as I crossed into Pennsylvania. Welcome to Pennsylvania, where the pavement is black. I'll only be in it for 45 minutes, then I'll be in New York. The plows are out. It's 37 degrees and dropping. For some reason I can't get the weather on the radio. I'm starting to get tired, the salt trucks are out. New York takes 7.5 hours to get through. It will be a short day tomorrow, but likely full of snow. The drive through the Rustbelt is over. It's time for bed.